So today we're gonna remove the wheels from a 2008 Yamaha YCF R6. This is the R model, but most of the bikes are the same. I'm just gonna show you what I used and how to do it actually. So you're gonna need a few tools. You're gonna need a half-inch 22 millimeter socket for the front axle bolt, and then you're gonna need a 32 millimeter socket, half-inch for the rear. And then for the caliper bolts, you're gonna need a 12 millimeter 3/8 socket. And the last, you're gonna need a 6 millimeter Allen key. It's a 3/8 to remove the bottom pinch bolts for the shaft for the front wheel. So that's what you're going to need. If you have a ratchet or power tools, it's better, easier, but like I said, I have power tools, so it makes the job way easier and faster. So we're gonna go to the front real quick, and that's the front. I'm gonna use my 12. I already loosened up the bolt, so it's easier. We got the caliper bolts out. Then we're going to move to the other side, and then get this. This is the 22. You don't remove it all the way. I'll show you why. Then we're going to the next side. Sorry. Shaky. This is the other side. Same thing. You got the bolts out. Got the caliper. And then what we're going to use is the Allen key. It's the 6 millimeter. We can loosen up this bottom pinch bolts. Shit. Okay, time to get the other one. This one is kind of hard, so we go manually. We got it out. Make sure, be careful when you take these off. And then, okay, so we got this ones. Let's go to the front real quick and try to get it out. So we got that out. Just push it like that, and then give it another push. And we got the bolt down. And maybe we got lucky. We can get it out. Okay, we got the shaft. Remember to leave it in place. The spacer still on the wheel, and this one. So I just put it back, put the axle, so you remember where the spacers go. You just put back the nut, the bolt, I mean, whatever. So we got the wheel. Let's go to the rear. Go to the rear. This one is quite easy. Like I said, on this one you need the 32. Just put it in there. That's it. Take the bolt out, the washer, and then we hopefully remove the wheel. Get a better angle. Just push it in. And then I don't know if you can see the axle. Yeah, I think you do. So just grab it and grab the wheel, get the axle, and slowly drop the wheel. Put the axle, the caliper to the side, and I think we still got the spacer there. And on the left side, yeah, it did come out, but it's already out from there. So on this side, still the chain on it, so you just simply lift it up, put the spacer back on, and then just slide the wheel out and just carry it. So that's how you remove the wheels on a Yamaha R6 2008. It's really easy, and to put it back is the same way you take it out. So this is the first video, and then we're gonna go to the next, the stator and the regulator rectifier. So I'll be seeing you soon. Leave a comment, subscribe, like, and share it, and peace out. Ride safe.